Take one large head of cauliflower and cut it into even-sized pieces. Bring the pot of water to a boil, then add cauliflower pieces and boil until they are soft and cooked through. Drain the cauliflower and spread it evenly on a baking sheet. Wait for the cauliflower to stop steaming, then place it in the oven on the dehydrate setting or 150 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1.5 hours. After the cauliflower has evaporated most of its moisture, add it to the food processor. After that, add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of salt. After that, take a small frying pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter, add 5 pressed garlic cloves to the pan, and cook until the garlic starts to brown. Remove the pan from the heat and add the garlic and butter to the food processor. Blend all ingredients together in the food processor until smooth. For serving, transfer a portion of cauliflower to the frying pan to heat it up. For the meatballs, melt a tablespoon of butter in a skillet or pan over medium heat. Add an onion, a pinch of salt, and sauté until it just begins to caramelize. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool. For the next step, take a bowl, add 500 grams of ground beef, then add 1/4 cup of crushed pork rinds, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, then add 1 egg, spices like salt, pepper, allspice, nutmeg, and garlic powder. Finally, let's add caramelized onions that you set aside earlier and add it to the bowl as well. Mix everything together using your hands and form into round meatballs. To cook them, heat up a touch of olive oil in your skillet over medium heat and cook the meatballs until brown and cooked through. You'll want them to turn around a few times so they can cook evenly. Transfer it to a plate and cover with the foil while you make the sauce. Add the remaining butter to a skillet and cook until it begins to melt. Add in 1 cup of beef broth, half a cup of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Allow to simmer for a couple of minutes until the sauce is reduced to desired consistency. Or you can use a thickener powder like cornstarch or cognac root powder if you're on a keto diet. After that, add the meatballs back in the skillet, simmer for a couple of more minutes, and serve right away.